So I am going to show you very quickly how to add an email opt-in for your website. I'm using Mailchimp, and the reason I use Mailchimp is because it's free and it's very simple to add to WordPress websites. You just need to go to Mailchimp and create a login, and then once you've got the login, we need to know what the username is and also an API key. So an API key, you would find that by going down here and clicking on your name and then go to account. And then when you're in account, you can go to extras and API keys. Now when you first log on and you are brand new to Mailchimp, you won't have any API keys. This will be empty. It will look like this. You see it says here your mobile SDK client keys. It will look like that. So you'll have two images like that. And what you need to do is create an API key, not a mobile SD client key. So make sure that you're under API keys and then you'll click create a key. The button will probably be here underneath the egg. So you create a key and then you'll get one line like this and you'll have your API key there. So you want to copy that. That's the key which will connect it to your WordPress website. So let's actually design it on WordPress. I'm in the back end of my website already. You can see that because I hover over, you can see the elements. So I want to create a nice long banner so it's bold. So I'm going to do that by adding a new section. So click on the blue button to add a section and then click regular. And then I just want one row. And the module that I want is email opt-in. So I'm going to click on that, and that's the default there. So let's connect our Mailchimp already. We're going to see the text here we can add and change as we go. But let's add the email account. So you're going to click on the provider, which is Mailchimp, and then you're going to add an account. So you need the account name and your API key. So you're going to paste those both in, and then you're going to submit, and then you'll get a list. I only have one. I have a lot of things on my list, but you're going to have lots. So I need to click on the one I want and then save it. Perfect. So it doesn't say anything, but that is connected now to my Mailchimp list. I would test it, so I need to come out and save it, have a look and test it with someone's email address. That's very important. Let's just design this so it looks a little bit nicer. I'm going to just change this. And then I don't want any text here, so I'm going to delete that. I don't want to have a last name field because sometimes it just doesn't go right, so I want to get rid of that. I want it to be as easy as possible. Success action, you can, but please, or just great, see you in your emails. Perfect. And then I want to go to design, and I want to put the text on the top of the button, so I'm going to go to layout and put body on the top. And then I don't want this to be full width or that, so it goes on next to each other. Perfect. And yeah, that's good for me, so I'm going to save that. But now I want the color to be full width all the way across, so it's very bold. So I'm going to go onto the blue section and change the color of the background of the blue section to match the same background as that one. And then I'm going to click save, and then I just don't need it to be this big because it looks very chunky. So I'm going to click on the margins and just drag the margins, the top and bottom. And then I could even drag the margins of the rows as well to make it a little bit shorter. Oh, not that short. Oh, I'm actually moving the row. See, I've made a big mistake there, and I'm just going to go undo, which is actually Command Z on my thing on my laptop, and then I want to get rid of the margin. Sometimes it can be a little bit clunky. Perfect. And there you go. That's connected. So I'm going to save that, come out of it, and double check that it's working. But that is how you add your email list. Thank you. Bye-bye.